Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, we are living at the time of the 12th Imam. At a time where it is truly a time that we need to wait. How do we wait? We prepare best for his arrival. We prepare for his arrival as if he is arriving towards us today. How do I prepare for someone as if he is arriving today? Let's look at the narrations of the Imams of the Ahlulbayt. What did they mention about their beloved grandson? The Imam who was arriving later on in their world today. The Imam who was the 12th Imam, who they knew would be the Imam who would live at a time where tyranny and injustice will fill the world. Corruption would fill the world. And this Imam would return justice and peace. You find Imam al-Baqir salawatullah wa salamu alayhi would state, إِنِّي لَوْ أَبْدِرَكْتُ ذَلِكَ لَأَبْقَيْتُ نَفْسِي لِصَاحِبِ هَذَا الْأَمْرِ. If I were to be there, if I were to cherish that moment of the 12th Imam, I would ensure I would perform everything for the Imam of the time. You find also that the 6th Imam mentions in regards to his beloved great-grandson, the 12th Imam, he says that لَخَدَمْتُهُ لَوْ أَدْرَكْتُهُ لَخَدَمْتُهُ طُولَ حَيَاتِي. If I were to meet him, if I were to be there at his imamate, at his time, I would have served him for one day, for a few days, for some hours, for a few weeks. No. The 6th Imam states, I would have served him throughout my life. Throughout my life. How many of us can say today that we serve the Imam of the time? That we are Khadim Imam al-Zaman, that we are true servants of the Imam of the time. How many of us can say that I am Khadim of the Imam? How many of us can say that no, not only I wish to serve him today, not only I wish to serve him for a few days, a few weeks, a few months, a few years of my life, but I wish to follow the path of the Ahlulbayt. I wish to follow the teachings of the 6th Imam who said that he wishes to serve, and he wished to serve the Imam of the time, the 12th Imam, throughout his life. Let me serve the Imam of my time throughout my life. Throughout my life, let me ensure everything I perform it in order to seek nearness towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and to serve the Imam of the time. For the best way of me to gain nearness and closeness towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is by serving and obeying the Imam, the Khalifa of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent as a divine guide towards mankind. So we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to allow us to be true khadim, true servants of the Imam of the time, inshallah. Allahumma ajjil لِوَلِيِّكَ الْفَرَجْ وَاجْعَلْنَا, and allow us to be of his true servants, of his true khuddam. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.